Every great dairy product begins with the freshest milk, straight from the farm. Technology ensures hygienic and efficient collection from every cow. Collected milk is immediately cooled to preserve freshness. Rapid cooling locks in nutrients and flavor from the farm. Skilled hands ensure every batch meets quality standards before leaving the farm. Hygienic transport ensures milk remains pure on the journey to the factory. From farm to factory, every drop is treated with care. At the plant, fresh milk begins its transformation into ghee and paneer. Digital monitoring ensures every liter of milk is accounted for. Lab testing guarantees purity, freshness, and safety. Precision machinery extracts cream for ghee while leaving milk for paneer. Cream is carefully collected for the rich, aromatic ghee. Paneer begins its journey with precise curdling techniques. Uniform cutting ensures consistent texture in every block of paneer. Pressing locks shape and firmness for quality paneer. Human oversight complements machinery for perfect results. Ghee is produced through careful heating and churning for flavor and purity. From fresh milk to cream and paneer blocks, the journey of dairy begins.
Keep it straight, a little more to the right. All right, stopping now. Valves are open, transfer line is secure.
Every liter of milk arrives safely, ready for processing. Hygienic pipelines ensure the milk remains fresh during transfer. Continuous monitoring maintains quality from arrival to processing. Conveyors streamline movement within the factory, maintaining hygiene and speed. Cream moves seamlessly toward ghee production through controlled pipelines. Smart automation monitors every liter to maintain quality and consistency. Skilled operators complement automation for precise production control. Automation ensures perfect paneer blocks for packaging and further processing. Cooling preserves texture and freshness before packaging. Controlled churning transforms cream into pure aromatic ghee. Filtration ensures purity and clarity in every drop of ghee.
Automated readings are matching standards.
Continuous monitoring guarantees consistency and quality. Human inspection complements sensors for perfect quality assurance. Consistent weight ensures accurate portions for consumers. Conveyors connect every step from production to packaging seamlessly. Labels guarantee traceability and compliance with quality standards. Milk flows efficiently through every station, connecting farm freshness to factory precision. Strict safety protocols ensure hygiene and quality from the very start. Milk is carefully categorized and stored to maintain purity. Hygienic transfer keeps milk fresh for processing. Skilled supervision guarantees accurate transfer of every liter. Efficient material flow connects the exterior with the heart of production. Every raw ingredient is verified before entering the production line. Modern facilities combine precision engineering with hygiene and branding. The doors mark the entry into a world of precision dairy production. Efficient logistics ensure a continuous flow of raw materials. Coordination between workers and machinery keeps operations smooth. Automated conveyors link the factory's exterior to its core production lines. A carefully organized receiving hall is the first step toward high-quality dairy products. Digital tracking ensures traceability for every batch of milk.
Moving supplies to storage now. Pallet secured in rack.
External storage integrates seamlessly with the factory's internal systems. Maintenance and inspection preserve product integrity at every stage. From exterior to interior, milk and ingredients flow smoothly into production lines. Every liter of milk undergoes thorough filtration before processing. Precision filtration guarantees purity and hygiene. Skilled workers ensure filters remain effective at all times.
Cream is gently separated for ghee production.
Cream quality is maintained through controlled separation. Consistent curd formation is crucial for perfect paneer. Uniform cutting ensures every paneer block meets quality standards. Precision machinery maintains shape and texture of paneer. Whey separation is part of hygienic paneer processing. Raw materials undergo careful inspection before entering production. Pressing locks in shape and texture for high-quality paneer blocks. Skilled operators complement machines to achieve perfect results. Pressing creates uniform blocks ready for packaging or further processing. Cooling preserves texture and ensures safety for handling. Clean milk, cream, and ingredients set the stage for core transformation into ghee and paneer. Pasteurization ensures milk safety while preserving its natural flavor. Homogenization creates uniform creaminess for ghee and paneer. Precision separation prepares cream for rich, aromatic ghee. Curds form the foundation of perfectly textured paneer blocks. Automated cutting ensures consistency and hygiene. Efficient whey removal creates ideal texture for paneer. Pressing locks shape, firmness, and texture. Churning transforms cream into pure, golden ghee. Filtration ensures clarity and purity in every drop. Human inspection complements machinery for quality assurance. Cooling preserves texture and prepares blocks for packaging.
Temperature is always staying fast.
Volume at 849 liters, ready for bottling. Smart monitoring keeps ghee at optimal conditions. Accurate weighing ensures consistent portions for consumers. Precise ingredient handling enhances paneer texture and quality. Visual and sensory checks maintain premium quality standards. Automation ensures consistent flow from storage to bottling. From raw milk to churned ghee and pressed paneer, core transformation is complete. The final refining stage ensures ghee purity and aroma. Each drop is refined to perfection. Filtration guarantees clarity and quality. Cooling preserves flavor, texture, and shelf life. Shaping creates uniform, consumer-ready paneer. Human inspection ensures consistent product quality. Automation ensures precise placement for packaging.
Final press ensures each block meets standard dimensions.
Continuous monitoring preserves quality before packaging. Tank valves adjust automatically for optimal flow.
Cooling maintains product safety and texture.
Bottling begins the transformation from liquid ghee to consumer-ready product. Automation ensures precision and hygiene at every step. Sealing preserves freshness and guarantees product integrity. Wrapping maintains hygiene and shelf life. Labels provide traceability and assurance for consumers. Human oversight complements automation for perfect final products.
Milk flow is stable at 95%.
Good. Cream flow is up to 102%.
Ghee temperature is optimal.
And paneer yield is at 98%.
Efficiency is good.
Precision automation synchronizes every stage of production seamlessly. IoT technology enables continuous monitoring of product conditions. Smart conveyors eliminate manual errors and streamline operations. Robotics improve efficiency and hygiene by reducing human contact. Digital monitoring ensures consistent quality at every stage. Automated controls maintain perfect product consistency. Sensor-driven conveyors optimize handling for safety and precision. Integration of multiple automation systems ensures flawless production flow. Robotics handle heavy loads with speed and accuracy.
Conveyor and tank stable, adjusting flow rate to optimize. Human supervision complements advanced for flawless output. For conferring.
Digital tracking guarantees accountability from production to delivery. Climate-controlled halls preserve freshness and quality. Automation guarantees only perfect products move forward.
Ghee yield is steady at 95%. Paneer efficiency looks good.
Agreed, but watch for pH fluctuations on this batch.
Alert on real-time dashboards allow instant response to any production anomaly.
Automated cleaning ensures hygiene and compliance with food safety standards. IoT integration transforms data into actionable efficiency. Advanced automation and digital systems create a factory where efficiency meets perfection. Attention to detail guarantees consumer-ready perfection. Accurate weighing ensures consistent portion sizes. Every bottle meets precise volume standards. Skilled operators fine-tune machinery for flawless output. Vision systems complement human oversight for quality assurance. Automation ensures every seal is secure for freshness. Alignment guarantees flawless wrapping and packaging. Quality is visible in every perfectly shaped block. Wrapping preserves hygiene and ensures safe handling. Labeling prepares products for traceable distribution. Every product carries traceable information for quality control. Precision handling ensures perfect presentation for storage or shipment. Human eyes ensure perfection alongside advanced machinery. Defective items are removed automatically, preserving overall quality. Finished products reflect meticulous precision and quality. Uniform, hygienic, and ready for market consumption. Precision machinery ensures every product leaving the line meets exact standards. Every batch undergoes rigorous quality testing in the lab. Samples are collected carefully for microbiological and chemical analysis.
Microbiological tests ensure products are safe for consumption. This milk sample shows no significant growth, recording as safe.
Chemical testing maintains product consistency and quality. Sensory evaluation guarantees the expected aroma and texture. Texture assessment ensures every paneer block meets quality standards. Digital tracking connects lab results to the production floor in real time. Microscopic examination ensures safety at the cellular level. Accurate moisture measurement guarantees shelf stability. Fat content verification ensures nutritional and quality standards.
Check for even texture and flavor consistency.
This one is slightly tangy. Agreed. The aftertaste is consistent.
Good. Note it down.
Ghee batch 103 failed FFA, initiating line adjustment.
Copy that. Paneer batch 202 moisture is high. Checking calibration. Confirm. Factory lines are adjusting based on feedback.
Viscosity testing guarantees premium texture and flow consistency. Surface testing ensures hygiene and product safety. Preserved samples maintain traceability and compliance. Thorough documentation ensures accountability and quality control.
Ghee sample is clear. Running the purity test now.
Paneer moisture is at 52%, well within spec.
Logging the results. Both samples are passing. Excellent. Prepare the approval forms right away. Forms are printing.
Every batch is rigorously tested before moving to final packaging and distribution. Paneer blocks are carefully boxed, ready for storage and delivery. Bottles are packed efficiently to ensure safe transport. Robotics handle heavy loads quickly and accurately. Proper pallet wrapping guarantees safe transport. Organized storage ensures easy access and inventory management. Efficient material handling speeds up distribution. Careful loading protects products during transport. Refrigerated transport ensures paneer retains quality.
Alignment looks good. Stability confirmed. Doors closing. Truck is ready.
All batches are tracked digitally for smooth distribution. Products are on their way to stores and consumers. Organized logistics enable timely delivery nationwide. Every pallet is verified for accuracy and safety.
This one's clear. Batch G4567.
Confirmed.
Moving to the next. All verified. Ready for dispatch.
Consumers enjoy fresh paneer and ghee straight from the factory.
This paneer looks so fresh.
Yes, and the ghee too.
Perfect for tonight.
I'll get one more block.
This is delicious.
It's the fresh ghee.
Yummy paneer.
So good. Quality products reach kitchens ready to delight.
That'll be 500 rupees. Thank you.
Factory freshness extends from production line to consumer hands. From milk and cream to packaged paneer and ghee, every step is meticulously managed. And this is how modern factories produce paneer and ghee from start to finish.